Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix lag issues on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone and improve performance. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps to access application settings. Now tap on Background Auto Start. Here, you'll see all apps that can auto start in the background. Disable all these applications so they can't auto start. This prevents apps from running in the background and consuming resources. Now go back and scroll up until you find About Phone. Tap on it. Tap on OS version multiple times, about 7 taps, until you enable developer options on your Xiaomi device. Go back to Settings and scroll down to Additional Settings, then tap on it. Scroll down and tap on developer options that you just enabled. In developer options, scroll down until you find Window Animations. Turn off window animations to reduce lag. Also turn off Transition Animation Scale. This speeds up your Xiaomi phone by removing animation delays. Now go back to Settings and scroll up until you find Home Screen. Tap on it. Tap on -1 screen and disable Google Discover. This reduces background processes and improves performance. And that's it. Your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone should now run much smoother with less lag. And that's how you fix lag issues on Xiaomi phones. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Xiaomi tips and phone optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching.